Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java project which is entitled as Efficient Identity Based Distributed Decryption Scheme for Electronic Personal Health Record Sharing System, which is an IEEE 2021 paper. So in this paper the authors have proposed a concept of making the electronic health records, that is which is in the application of e-health system, making that electronic health record in a very secured manner in the cloud storage. So here the authors have proposed that in the existing, even though there are some cryptographic methods of used before, but it is complication to share the data with multiple parties. For example, if you wanted to share the same data with the doctors or health departments or superintendent, etc., that should be encrypted under each recipient keys, and which has some limitations in the decryption part and reconstructed by one party. So to overcome this issue, the authors have proposed this identity based distributed decryption scheme for personal health record sharing system. So here you can see the system model where the entities available are the patient, the medical server, the superintendent, doctors and the KGC. So here you can see the flow that happens in the system. Now let us see the execution of the project. So we have developed this project using NetBeans 8.2 IDE. So first go to file menu and click open project. Now go to the source code location. And click open project, and now kindly wait till the complete project is loaded in the IDE, and also this progress bar will be completed. So in the meanwhile we'll attach the database. So go to the MySQL administrator, go to restore option, click open backup file, go to the project location, go to the database folder and select the database and click start restore. And now the restoration option is completed and click close. And now this project has the option of sending the keys through the email. You wanted to turn off your antivirus. In case if you are not turning off your antivirus or firewall, this operation will be blocked and you will not receive the keys in your email. So you need to compulsorily stop your antivirus temporarily till the execution of the project. So now I have turned off it for a temporary purpose till the execution of the project. Coming back to the NetBeans IDE, the project is completely loaded. Now click it and make a right click and then select run. And kindly wait till the project is loaded into the browser. And now you can see the welcome screen or home screen of the project with the project title Efficient Identity Based Distributed Decryption Scheme for Electronic Personal Health Record Sharing System, and the base paper as mentioned in the base paper. And here you can see the entities as mentioned in the base paper, that is patient, doctor, superintendent, KGC and medical server. Let us see all the things one by one. So now let me go to the doctor part. So let me register the doctor part by clicking the register. So for example, let me enter the doctor details like the name, the date of birth, the email ID, and which department the doctor belong, that is cardiology, dermatology, neurology, nephrology, or orthopedic. So let me select cardiology and select the gender, the phone number, address, the password, and then click sign up. And now you can see the registration is success and click OK. Now even though the doctor registration part is completed, we cannot able to log in the doctor part because it should be approved by the KGC, because in the base paper it has mentioned that it should be, the first part is like the superintendent and the doctors should able to approved by the KGC. So first thing is like go to the KGC part after the registration of the doctor and the superintendent. So now let me log in with the credentials of KGC, and once the login is success, you can see the welcome screen of the KGC, and here you can see the doctor detail. Let me click doctor details, and in the doctor's details you can see the name Jayaprakash, which is registered right now by me, and the status you can see it is waiting state. And once if the KGC approves it by clicking the approve, and here you can see it has been approved and the status has been updated as approved right now. Now let me log out from this part. Let me go to the doctor part now. So to log in, enter the details that is used during the registration part, and email ID as entered. Now for the private key you need to go to your email, and you can check in the email that hi Jayaprakash, your account has been activated and your private keys, and use this private key for logging the doctor part now, and enter the password and click login. And here you can see the login is success and click OK. And once the login is success, you can see the welcome screen of the doctor with the doctor name, and you can see the patient details, who are all the patients available, requested files. Currently there is no requested files, and also you can see the patient details are being encrypted, and only after the request from the request given by the doctor and the keys are received only they can able to view the original file. Now let me log out from this part. Now let me go to the superintendent part. So now let me enter as in the superintendent. Let me first register with the superintendent. So let me create a new superintendent. For example, say let me create a superintendent called Ajit with the name. And click sign up, and now the registration is success. So as intimated earlier, the doctor or superintendent should be approved by the KGC. So KGC part, now let me go to the KGC part now and click login. And now in the KGC part you can see the superintendent details, and in the superintendent details you can see the name Ajit, and which is registered right now, and the status has been waiting. And let me approve this part right now, and now you can see it has been approved and the status is also approved right now. Let me log out. Now let me go to the superintendent log that is used during the registration part, and for the private key you need to go to your mail and check, hi Ajit, your account has been activated and your private key is, and you need to use this key right now, and enter the password and click login, and you can see the login is success and click OK. And in the superintendent details you can see the patient details and the requested files as mentioned in the doctor part also, and click logout now. Now let me go to the patient part. So in the patient part let me register. So let me register the patient part right now. Now let me click sign up, and you can see the registration is success, and click OK. Now let me go to the patient login part. So the patient login part, enter the detail that is used during the registration and click login. And once the login is success, you can see the welcome screen of the patient with the patient name. And now you can see the option of upload file, my files, and logout. So currently I have not uploaded any file, so my files is empty. And right now let me upload a file. So click the upload file option. In the upload file option, you can see the details of the name and age, which is defaultly taken from the registration. And here you can select the department where the data you need to send. So for example, let me select cardiology part, and only the department that is selected, those doctors are selected, those department only can able to view the file. Other doctors cannot able to view, all the doctors cannot able to view the file. And enter the blood group details, occupation, height, weight, blood pressure, and you can able to select a file. So let me create a file in the D drive, JPBC, let me name it like that. So for example, I'll create a file like this. Now let me choose this file from the D drive, and once if you're chosen, you can preview the file, that is the content that is available in the file. And now you can able to upload the file. Now let me click upload, and once the file is uploaded, you can see the message file is uploaded successfully, and click OK. Now if you go to my files, you can see that your file that you have uploaded. And as this is a cloud-based project, so we have used Drive HQ cloud service to save the data that is uploaded by the patient in the cloud service. So let me log into this Drive HQ and show you the cloud part. And now you can see the file jpphr.txt, the time, date and time 27/2021 8/24. And once if you click that file, you cannot able to see the content, which is in encrypted form for the security purpose. So now it is made sure that the file has been uploaded in the cloud. So let me log out from this part, Drive HQ. Now coming back to the our localhost part. So now let me log out. Now let me go to the doctor part. So in the doctor part, you can see the patient details. So now you can see the patient detail JP, which has been entered right now. And once if you wanted the doctor wanted to view the file, you wanted to make a request. So now you can see the request has been sent. So in the requested file, you can able to see the status is been waiting. So without the approval, they cannot able to decrypt the file. The doctor cannot able to see the patient details. Still it is in waiting stage, so we cannot able to decrypt the file content. So let me log out the part. So now let me go to the supernet part and show you. So same in the supernet part, you can see that the file is been updated here, and you can able to request the file. So let me request this file, and in the requested file you can see the file is been the waiting stage, and you need to decrypt once after the it has been approved. So let me show you the KGC part now. So in the KGC part, already we have seen the doctor details, supernet details, and now let me go to the patient details. So these are the details that is available. Let me log out, and now let me go to the medical server part. Now once after the credentials are given for the medical server, the login is success, and click OK. And here you can see the details of server file, patient details, doctor details, supernet details, doctor request, supernet request, graph, etc. Let me show you the details one by one. So this is the welcome screen of the medical server. So just go to the server file. So once if you click server files, what all the file that is available you can see, and here you can see the file that is created by us and updated right now. And if you click patient details, you can see who are all the patients currently available, and here you can see the patient that we have created right now. And in the doctor details you can see who are all the doctors available, and supernet details you can see who are all the supernets available. Now coming to the request part, so first thing is like the doctor request. So in the doctor request, here you can see the request that is made to by the doctor, what is the file name and what is the patient name and which is the department, and you can see the status of it is been waiting state, not been approved. So once if it is been approved, so here you can see the status is approved, and here also you can see the status has been updated or approved. So as same thing done in the doctor request, you go for the supernet request also. So in the supernet request too, you can see the detail that is the supernet, who is the supernet, and what is the file name and the patient name and what is the department and what is the status of it. Let me approve it. So now both the request has been approved. So let me log out and go to the both the part and show you what has been done there. So let me log in with the doctor part now. After logged in, go to the requested file and click decrypt part. So it asks for the decryption details. So go to your mail, and here you can see the mail that your PHR access request is approved, and you can see the secret key to access. Just enter those details here and click verify. And once if it is been verified, and you can see the details of the patient, that is with the name, the age, the blood group, the occupation, height, weight, blood pressure, etc. Now let me log out from the patient part. So let's go to the supernet part. And once after entering the credentials of the supernet login part, go to the requested file and click decrypt, and it asks for the decrypt details. You cannot enter some details because if you verify, you can say that it is incorrect key values. Only you need to enter the correct values. So for that, go to your mail, and here you can see the key to access the PHR, and you enter those details and click verify. And once if it is verified, and here you can see the details of the patient right now. Now let me log out from this SuperNet part also. Let me go to the medical server. And once after entering the credentials of the medical server, let me go to the final part, that is graph part. So let me click the graph part. So in the graph part you can see the dynamic graph. This is not a static graph, this is a dynamic graph which changes according to the detail that we are entering. So here you can see the total number of patients available, total doctors available, and SuperNet available. And you can also able to export these results as a JPEG or PNG. So let me show you that part also. And here you can see the exported result. This changes according to the registration that we are going to do. And now let me log out from this part. And this is all about the project efficient identity based distributed decryption scheme for electronic personal health record sharing system. And thank you for watching.